Alright guys, welcome back. This demo is probably falls in like two categories over here. We've already covered how to create rainfall simulation using particle systems, and we've created lightning, and we've also created an environment in Unity. But we haven't added a particle system to our environment. So in this demo, I'm actually going to show you guys how to use something that Unity has already for making your process or prototyping a lot faster. They have a bunch of standard assets that you can use and learn from. So if you actually go to the asset store here and search for the standard assets, you can download and import them. I've already downloaded it, and all I have to do now is import it. Now, you don't want to import everything from the standard assets because it's a bunch of stuff. As you can see over here, there's like way too much. You don't want to do that. You basically just need to know what you need. You can definitely study everything that's included in here. And I think that would be very useful for you guys, for your learning. So what we need is a particle system. So I'm going to uncheck everything else. You can actually just do that by hitting none here. And I'm going to go to my particles here and just get the particle DustStorm material, the prefab, and you need the particle materials here. So it's the cloud that they're using for that. So I'm just going to hit import, and it's going to add it to my standard assets folder in my assets here. So I go to particle systems, and now all I need is the prefab. It's already created the material and everything for me. And the texture is in here too, so all I need is the prefab, and all I'm going to do is drag and drop that into my scene, and you can see that it created a dust storm for me. So again, I can place this. Placement makes a huge difference as to what I want my scene to look like. You can do it like that. You can put it further away. If you increase the life of your dust storm, I guess that you can do that too. But that I think looks kind of nice. You can go ahead and make adjustments here as well if you want. You can increase the emission, and then again it'll make the dust storm more dense. If you want the storm to collide with your you can add collisions to it too. So you can make all of those adjustments to the standard assets to match up with your project. So I think this looks pretty good. You can change the rotation and stuff to say I want it to be going sideways instead. Just again, like based on what the placement of your storm is. And then again, you can make this a child object of your you can make this a child object of your camera. So this sort of looks a little better. Maybe not so much here. So that's not bad. You can do something like that. And then again, like you can adjust your skybox to match up your environment. If you want it to be like super dusty, you can. And I mean, sometimes that again becomes another part. Like if you're going to be adjusting the skybox, that's going to be another tutorial. But this allows you to add the storm into your environment, and I think that would really enhance your overall project. So thanks for watching, and hope this was useful, and you might you will be using this for your projects.